Hey there, welcome to another Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. That's all the fun places you can follow me. Doop. This, I knocked it over, is the Walmart Fall Beauty Box. I know it's winter now, but I got it literally at like the start of winter. Like, how was that fall? But apparently it's the fall box. So let's get into all the fun little products here. So hey, a Walmart beauty box. Fall faves. Yeah. Okay, so we've got the Bic Soleil Sensitive razor blade. I have like a subscription, really fancy razor, so this will probably be given away to someone. I'll throw it in a box and mail it to my cousin or something, like I do everything that I don't use. It says for a sensible shape. Tempted to take it on my trip with me so I don't have to worry about losing my good razor, but maybe. Then we have, oh, I love this. This is like my go-to in the summer. Like, I'm not kidding. When it gets humid in Chicago, I double up. Like, I don't just use stick deodorant. I also use the spray as well. Ultra Clear, Black and White, Degree, Antiperspirant Spray. It is my favorite. Hi, I love you too. Apparently my cat wanted to get in on this video. Then we have Hard Candy Long Wear Primer, 12 wear. I've never tried their primer before. Let's just squirt it out here on. Okay. Oh, it's got a little tint to it. Oh, it's nice. Okay. It's got a little gleam to it. Okay. Then we have Jergens Lavender Soothe and Smooth Body Butter. Triple Butter Blend. Okay. Oh, yeah. That's good lavender. Now I'm asleep. Or very relaxed. Then we have, hair food. Nourishing Coconut Hair Mask. I like to use this when you have like a deep conditioner after like you color your hair or something, or you've been using a lot of heat products. Love this. Or if I've got like a lot of tangles, I will use a little bit of this to get them out. Then we have, finally, the Freeman Detoxifying Charcoal and Black Sugar Mud Mask. It's a 10-minute mask. It removes impurities. Also great when you've been wearing a lot of makeup to just detox your skin and relax. And then put a sheet mask on afterwards. I'm not kidding. I have like a 21-hour flight coming up, and I really just might have spa day on the plane and just let all the flight attendants and everyone think I'm nuts because I'll be like masking and wearing sheet mask and eye gels and everything. Who knows? Anyway, that was the Walmart box. Until next time, stay beautiful.